right. Come on, Tanner. Go. Come on. Go to it. Come on. Tanner, come on. Here I have. Why do you have a stick?
I'm gonna make it move.
Oh, his head's moving. If you can grab the football, I will throw the football at it.
John, fire a ping pong ball at it.
Oh, poor thing.
Don't go by it.
I don't think it can fly. Son of a bitch. That is scary as crap.
Stop recording. It'll fly if it's in the dark.
So you put.
I need another stick.
Let's poison it or something. Let's do something humane. That's not gonna kill it. It's not like those people.
They don't kill it.
There's right upstairs.
Oh, there is.
Come on, buddy. Come see the bat. Come see him. Alright? You see him?
Yeah. No, you're really good. It looks like a rabbit. Stop it.
Oh, this is just torture almost. Oh, look at him. Can we help it? Can we take it outside maybe? Like, can you just like pick it up and take it outside? Here. Let's hold that. Let's start recording, guys. Well, we won't suffocate it, nothing. We'll just hold it on our faces, and we'll take it outside and maybe kill it.
We'll try this, but I'm not gonna promise. If it comes back, I'm gonna kill it.
See its little paws screeching out for help.
I accidentally moved the football on it.
It's not a football helmet, it's a football.
I said I accidentally moved the football on it.
Dude, what? Come on. Shut up. Shut up. Stop that. You stop that.
What?
Why is it in there? Stop!
Dude!
Don't be mean to it. Alright.
Once I push the little break, you put it down, okay? Got it?
Down?
No, put that on top of it as soon as I put it down.
Okay.
Down. Okay.
Go. Give us a Tanner.
No! Dad, talking about that.
I need to go and open the door.
Oh,
Go!
Okay, go.
No.
Keep going.
No, I'm recording.
You have to open the door.
Go open the door. I'm recording.
Open the door.
I'm recording.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Go.
Okay. Are you coming out here to record or not?
Yeah?
Are you coming out? Okay, where should I let it go?
By a tree or something? I don't know. It's just somewhere.
In the road?
I don't know if it's dead or not. The road. What is that?
Oh, shit.
Here.
Put it in the water.
You wanted to drown?
No.
You're sick.
Why?
You're a sick person drowning in the bath.
Okay, ready? Okay.
Oh shit, it's dead, dude.
No, it's not.
dying.
It's on your own now.
We tried.
I know.
And then they're feeding something else.